everybody, this is Audrey, also known as Noble Strength, and welcome to my channel, and happy Sunday to you all. I have been doing a little bit of spring cleaning over the last couple of days. I purge every year around this time. It's just I get bitten by the spring bug and I just want to get rid of things. And plus I typically purge about 4 times a year things from my closet just because I am such an avid thrift shopper. So I want to just give a shout out first of all to I Am Purse Happy Too. I just watched a video of hers today and she was doing a closet tour and she asked the purse community how do they store their handbags. So this video was kind of spearheaded by her because I was already kind of doing my closet purging thing, and I thought, why not go ahead and just do a video sharing how I organize my closet. Now my closet is a small closet, so if you have a small closet, this video is going to be right up your alley. I'm just going to give some quick little tips on what I do, and if you like that kind of thing, just keep watching. Alright, so we'll start with the door hanger. As you can see, I just have a little door hanger. You can get those at Walmart. And I kind of just put my black purses on here, the ones that I frequently use. They're hanging on the back of the door for easy access. And the one I'm currently carrying is this Coach right here. The ones that I use most frequently are here. Now, in my closet, I kind of try to coordinate by color, as you can see, and as I've told you before, I do like to use these kind of no slip hangers, and they're like compactable, so you can really like squish your clothes and have plenty of room. And so there is plenty of closet space in here as far as like putting more things in there. And like I say, I just kind of try to organize it by color somewhat. On the upper level, I have my Henri Bendel handbags. As you can see, all the brown and white striped bags. I kind of went a little Henri Bendel crazy earlier this year, and I'm storing, you know, quite a few of my bags up there. I was storing my shoes up there at one point, but I've kind of shifted things around and put my shoes in other places. So currently right now I'm storing most of my shoes in these little Sterilite containers that you can get for like 99 cents at Walmart, on top of this shoe organizer here that I also got at Walmart. And if you check out my playlist of closet videos, you'll see how over the years, over the last 3 years since I've had my YouTube channel, I've kind of rearranged my closets and even switched closets. So if you are one of those people that, I'm going to come out of the closet so you can see this a little bit better, but if you ever like get sheets or blankets, don't throw those little bags that they come in away. Keep them because they make great for storage materials. So I put all of my Henri Bendel bags and a few of my boxes in this little plastic container here, or plastic packaging, and it just keeps everything dust free. I like that. And as you can see, I do have towards the back a little belt rod towards the top here, and you can get these little belt rods just like at any home store. And I do hang a few of my bags just on regular hangers like that. The ones that I don't have room for anywhere else, I just kind of put them there and towards the back of the closet so it won't look so cluttered. And then on this side I have some more shoes as well in the Sterilite containers, and then underneath here I also have more shoes. But like I say, I try to get rid of my cardboard boxes. I'm not big on those, so I just keep all my shoes there. I have quite a few. As you can see, I don't even know what the count is as of now, but this is a large Sterilite container that I like to use for my boots, and this I like because it just fits them perfectly. So if you have just some basic, you know, right at the knee boots, these are good for storing your boots as well. And then they just slide right under and make it easy to, you know, compact. So then you just kind of slide that back in there, and then that's out of the way. Then on this side up here, I have just a couple. These are the only boxes that I did save because they were really nice sturdy boxes. So I have my sneakers in there, and then I have a purse in there and a pair of Coach shoes. This little funny fuzzy creature right here, if you don't know who this is Lucas the spider. You need to check him out. He's the cutest spiders. I have such a fear of spiders. I do not like real spiders, but when I saw this YouTube video about Lucas the singing spider, I thought he was the most adorable thing. He has the cutest voice, and the animation is so creative and cute. And when the creator designed this little plushie toy to help send his to help start his nephew's college fund. His nephew is the voice of Lucas, by the way, and so he wanted to do a college fund for his nephew, and I just thought that was adorable, so I kind of helped out by buying the little plushie. And it talks. You press a little button and it makes a little sound. So please check out Lucas the spider. I'll leave him in the link below. Shout out in the comments if you're also a Lucas the Spider fan. He is adorable. But anyway, okay, back to the closet. So I do have a few of my little smaller bags in this little hanging compartment here. Like I said, these little packages that you normally get sheets in, keep them. I have my wallets and my little pouches for my purses in there. It makes it just easy to keep them all together. And then these are just other places for my bags, where I keep my Brahmin and a few of my other bags. And then I have a few small clutches also in like this shoe organizer, but you can use this shoe organizer for little small clutches and also for shoes as well, and that goes all the way down. So that's pretty much it. That is my closet. That is how I do it from top to bottom, and as you can see, all of my space is utilized, guys. Every square inch of it is being used. Pretty much it, how I organize my closet. I take advantage of every little space that I can. I use, as you can see, those little compartmental organizers, the hanging ones that you can get at Walmart, and Sterilite containers are perfect. I don't like storing things under my bed, and so I try to get everything in the closet. And if I can't, then that means it is time to purge. So like I said before, I have a bag that I'm going to take to Goodwill, if I did not already say that, and a container of things that I'm going to try to sell. So that is how I store and organize my things. Oh, and I use those plastic bags that you get from the grocery store to stuff and fill my bags so that they keep their shapes. So when you see like on here, the squishiness of it, this is just loads and loads of those grocery bags, and I just put them in there. I try to keep my purses off the floor and not be so bunched up on each other so that they won't, you know, get the impressions and dents in them, especially the softer leathers. But that's pretty much it. Let me know in the comments below if you've been spring cleaning, if you've been purging, and some additional tips when organizing a small closet. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. And as always, remember to be a good steward of all that God has given you, because He truly loves us so much. And I'll see you next time. Bye.